In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete an operating system from dual boot computer on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Click on File Explorer, click on this PC. Here, my current operating system Windows 11 is in C drive and I have another operating system in D drive. Double click on D drive and I want to delete this operating system from dual boot menu. Minimize File Explorer, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type msconfig, click on OK. System configuration has been opened. Click on Boot tab. Here you will find the operating system Windows 10 PNT and it's in D drive. And first one is the current operating system. You can't delete current operating system. That's why delete option is grayed out here. Click on the operating system on D drive and then click on delete. The OS is delete from boot menu. Click on apply, then click on OK. System configuration notify you to restart your computer. I will restart later. Click on exit without restart. Go to File Explorer again. Right click on the D drive and then click on Format. And here you will find the capacity and select the file system. Here NTFS is default and allocation unit by default 4096 bytes. I am not changing. You can assign a volume label. I am assigning my vol and then quick format is selected. Click on start and warning message. Formatting will erase all data on this disk. Click on OK and format finished. Click on close and all data has been removed. Now close File Explorer. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope operating system is deleted from dual boot menu on Windows 11 or 10 computers. That's it.